Okay, traders, good evening. Saturday night, I just want to go over how the week was for me personally. Let's bring up the account. Okay. History. Alright, small account, just over $1,000 in this, trialing for a prop firm. Alright, so that was the sell trade in the Aussie dollar. Now, you're probably looking at that going, wow, Scott, that was a little ambitious. It was actually on Friday morning as well, before NFP. Smaller position, just 1%. Let's bring this up here. I just want to go over that. And that was it for this week. It was just the Aussie short. Actually, let me double check for you. The 30th, I lied actually. That was that. Let me bring the calendar up. No, the 30th was Friday. Look at me. Yeah, so the Aussie dollar was my only trade this week. Look, okay. So I guess in regards to this trade, let's bring this up. I took it on this candle here. So this I've tested before in back testing. I use Forex Tester. I use Forex Tester 3. I'll be out of China soon, so I can actually use my laptop properly. I'll be in Calgary, hopefully by this time next week. But this setup here, I've back tested thousands of times. So I took that. Now, obviously, NFP and everything, that's why I minimized the position. It wasn't like an A grade sort of setup, and it went down pretty nicely. NFP was okay. Again, I'll acknowledge it was a little reckless, and the trend has been going for a long time now. If we go to the daily, look at that daily candle. So long overdue for a small pullback. So I didn't really respect that, and I'll acknowledge it was not an excellent trade. But I'm still bearish on this pair, to be honest. Let's even bring the monthly up. Now it's really, yeah. So as you can see, it's really not going particularly well on the Aussie dollar, and I find myself trading a little bit. I don't know why. I'm drawn to it. It moves a little bit slower, but that was the Aussie dollar trade. Now, in regards to next week, I think this is going to be a combined. It's going to be an end of week update and a brief watch list video as well. I think CAD yen. Let me bring up the daily. Let me bring up the 4-hour. This, I'm entertaining a sell on this. Again, I don't enter Mondays. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback, and then I'll enter on a Tuesday. And I enter later in the day during the London session potentially, so more updates to come here. Wish I could put out more videos, but please follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. It's all Scott Andrews with the same profile picture as I'm with the YouTube account, so feel free to follow me. I don't post charts much on Facebook, to be fair. It's mostly just LinkedIn, Instagram, especially Scotty's trading on Instagram. Let me see the hourly and really see how it unfolded intraday. So, there's a small bounce there. We'll see. Looks like we might have a squeeze higher. Again, I wait till Monday unfolds and then I enter on the Tuesday if there's a setup. Now, the Euro Yen, I quite like that wick there. It's nice. We've taken out some more stops. People were short, and it's sort of squeezing low with that wedge pattern there. I'm on the phone, guys, doing this, so I do apologize for my charting. Let's go to the 4-hour and get an idea. Yeah. Now, again, it's still, right there. It's still, you're probably thinking to yourself, this is just a massive drop. There's obviously going to be some buyer interest, but I don't like to fight the trend. Small pullback, we'll see, or even consolidation, and then another candle like that. A candle like that, I'd call a kangaroo tail. I learned from Walter Peters, just a funny name he uses for that candle. But, the body is small, wick is long, takes the stops out for people who are going short. You get in, again, they'll be going back in for more for the reversal traders, and that's when when I take a trade. So we'll see though. Again, consolidation I'd like to see, and then maybe even a candle like that would be good. That prints and breaks the consolidation low, and then that would be my thesis going short on the Euro Yen. I understand it has been selling off a lot, and reversal traders are keen to jump in, but I'm definitely interested in this one. Now let's see the monthly. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, guys, again, thank you for watching. I'll upload this straight away, and stay tuned for more updates as they come. And have a great weekend.